Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful and simple pattern for you. From front side our pattern will look like this, and from wrong side our pattern will look like this. For this pattern I have used designer cast on. You can use this pattern in any sweaters, cardigans, shawls, caps, jackets, baby blankets. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 6 stitches plus 4 stitches to complete the pattern, and this is 6 rows repeat pattern. So let us start now. For demonstration I have taken 16 stitches. This is our first row. Purl 4 stitches, 2, 3 and 4, and then knit 2 stitches. After 4 purl stitches, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. This is our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat, purl 4 stitches, and then knit 2 stitches. This is second repeat pattern. Now purl last 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here our first row is over. Now second row from wrong side. Slip first stitch and then knit 3 stitches and then repeat pattern. Purl 2 stitches and then knit 4 stitches. This is our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat pattern, purl 2 stitches and then knit 4 stitches. Here we have completed our second row. Now third row from right side. Slip first stitch and then purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now twist second stitch left to right from front side like this. Now knit both stitches, 1 and 2. Now again twist second stitch from left to right, this time from behind like this. Now knit both stitches. Now purl 2 stitches, 1 and 2. This is our first repeat pattern. Again twist second stitch left to right from front side, and now knit both stitches, knit 1 and 2. Again twist second stitch from left to right, this time from behind. Now knit these 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now purl next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and purl last edge stitch. This is our third row. Now fourth row, slip first stitch and then knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now from here repeat pattern, purl 4 stitches and then knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2. This is our first repeat pattern. Now second repeat, purl 4 stitches and then knit 2 stitches. This is second repeat pattern. Now knit last stitch. This is our fourth row. Now fifth row, slip first stitch and then purl 1 stitch, and from here our repeat pattern begins. Twist second stitch from left to right from front side and then knit both stitches, 1 and 2. Now knit 2 stitches, now next 2 stitches, twist second stitch from left to right, this time from behind, and then knit 2 stitches. Here we have completed our first repeat pattern. Again second repeat, twist second stitch from front side and then knit 2 stitches. Now knit next 2 stitches and then again twist second stitch from left to right, this time from behind, and knit these 2 stitches also. Now purl last 2 stitches. This is our fifth row. Now sixth row from wrong side, slip 1 stitch and then knit 1 stitch. Now purl all except last 2 stitches. Now knit last 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Here we have completed our sixth row. After few repeats our pattern will look like this. If you like my video then please like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Bye.